Hello everyone, this is me from my English classroom. In today's video, we are gonna talk about kitchens. We are going to see some vocabularies that we have in our kitchens. So if you are ready, let us get started. So can you guess what's this? Very good, this is a fridge. Fridge. What about this? Yes, it's an oven. Oven. This one is cooker. Cooker. This one is pan. Pan. What about this? Sink. Sink. What about this? Plate. Plate. This one? Pot. Pot. What about this? Knife. Knife. And this one? Good. Fork. Fork. This one is teapot. Teapot. What about this? Glass. Glass. And this one? Fruit. Fruit. What about this? Vegetables. Vegetables. And this one? Basket. Basket. What about this? Spoon. Spoon. And this one? Freezer. Freezer. What about this? Shelves. Shelves. So we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching and see you on another one.